This is the Addictive Desert Designs Stealth Fighter front bumper for the 2015 to 2017 Ford F-150. The modern radius plate design gives you a great looking bumper that's formed to the front of the truck while also providing superior protection. The Stealth Fighter is available in a winch and non-winch configuration. The non-winch configuration will fit both EcoBoost and non-EcoBoost applications, while the winch version will only fit non-EcoBoost applications. The winch version of this bumper uses a separate winch plate that bolts directly to the frame of the vehicle for ultimate strength. This also means that you can buy the winch kit later and convert your non-winch bumper into a winch bumper. Addictive Desert Design's patented universal light mount system allows you to mix and match brands and sizes of lights up to a 40-inch radius bar, 10 cube lights, or anything in between. You also have the ability to mount a single row 10-inch bar behind each side panel for additional lighting. The clevis mounts on the front of the Stealth Fighter are reinforced and made to fit a 3/4 inch D-ring. Combine the Stealth Fighter front bumper with our Adaptive Cruise Control relocation bracket to retain your adaptive cruise control function. The non-winch skid plate on this bumper is vented to allow proper airflow to your EcoBoost intercooler. All parts are CNC cut for a precise fit, and all our bumpers are made in-house in America. Visit our website at adddoffroad.com to view this bumper and also browse our entire selection of bumpers, chase racks, and side steps for all newer makes and models of truck.